In this video, I'm going to show you how to add logo or image in Lovable.dev. Now, the first thing you want to do once you're inside one of your projects inside Lovable.dev, you want to go ahead and down at the very bottom over here, you can see this plus icon inside your chat box. Click on that and click on attach. Now what you then should do is find your logo or image you would like to put in here. So for example, for me, it's going to be my channel's logo. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to press open and it's going to start uploading, and then you can just tell it where you want this image to be. So for example, I'm going to type in, put this logo at the top of this calculator, okay? Top of this calculator. There we go. So once you do this, basically just describe where you want to see it and then click on enter over here, and it's basically going to go ahead and start thinking, and then it's going to put it wherever you basically requested it. So as you can see over here, it's still thinking. Usually it's going to basically do it, as you can see, it thought for 10 seconds. Then it's going to add the logo in here right now. So it's going to add it in. It's basically going to start processing everything, and then once everything is processed and edited, you'll be able to see that my logo will be added, there we go, at the very top. Now of course this does not look the best because it was quickly done. I just screenshotted this from my channel, but of course if you have anything more specific and you would like to add it more specifically to a certain part of your project over here, it's gonna do that absolutely easily. You can just tell it and attach the image and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.